How to add Zoom to Outlook. Hey everyone, in this tutorial I'll show you guys how you can easily add your Zoom meetings to your Outlook account. So first thing you're going to have to do is go to your Outlook mail, and once you log into it, all you have to do here is schedule a meeting. You can do that by going over to the calendar. You can basically add an event or a meeting on the calendar. So select your date. Let's say if I want to do it on the 4th. I'll just select the 4th here, double click on this, select the time, so it's 10 to 10:30. You can change it. Let's do 11:30 to 12. And here you can only see the Teams meeting option. So all you have to do is open up a new tab and then search for a plugin by Microsoft itself. So let's just search for Zoom for Outlook. Click on the search bar, type in Zoom for Outlook, hit enter. Now you'll find the Zoom Outlook login from Microsoft App Source. Click on that, and you should be able to add it to your Outlook. So it's officially by Microsoft, so you don't have to worry about anything. Now click on this option, get it now, so just wait for a bit. Now you can go ahead and click on get it now. Here you're going to have to log into your Microsoft account, so let me just quickly do that first. Now you're just going to have to confirm your details to continue, wait for a bit, and then you can click on this option once you are successfully logged in. So enter all of the necessary details and then click on Get Now. Once you do that, it will start downloading the add-in to your Outlook. And now the sign-in process is complete. It has already been added, so you're going to have to sign in one more time to your account. But if you already are signed in, you don't have to. So it will redirect you to the Outlook page right here. So let me just go ahead and go to this other page. And now you can easily add this Zoom meeting. In order to do that, you can open up your settings menu at the top right. And then from here, you can go to this option for accounts. And once you get here, you can change your calendar settings and then go to events from email, go to events and invitations. And once the add-on has been added, you can add a Zoom meeting right here. So as you can see here, you'll get this description. Now click on this add button. And once you have added this, you can just go and check now, go to settings, go to calendar, events and invitation. Now you'll have the option to choose Zoom. That's it for this video, guys. I hope it was helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one.